nature and style of writing. This unit includes 3 topics: describing, defining, classifying. So we will see one by one. In this lecture, we are discussing describing, the term, the method, and the benefits, and one example also. Describing. The term describing means to explain in detail. Okay. When you don't understand anything, then what you say? Please describe it. Please explain it. Okay. So other person describes it for you. So for that, what we need a keen observation of the subject. If you are going to explain something, you are going to describe something, one particular topic, then you should observe that thing. Okay. Suppose you want to talk about your visit to Taj Mahal. So you will describe all the things which you observed when you visited Taj Mahal. Okay. So while describing, it needs keen observation of the subject, important details to your topic. Okay. Suppose if you are talking about your class, then you should give the important details of your class. Okay, you should talk about the facility which is given in the class. Okay, how if you are talking about method of taking class, delivering lecture, then you should focus upon methods of teaching. Okay, so first you have to search out what is important in your topic. Suppose if you are talking about education in India, okay, so you have to study the current scenario, you have to study the past scenario, you have to study what are the future benefits. Okay, so you have to search for important detail of your topic, okay, which is related to the topic. So it was describing, we talked about description, describing when we are talking or we are speaking. Okay, and here it is about nature and style of writing. Okay, so when you write, describing matters. ઓકે, જ્યારે તમે લખો છો ત્યારે ડિસ્ક્રાઇબિંગ કેવી રીતના કરવું, ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન કેવી રીતના કરવું, that matters a lot. Okay, because what details you are providing to the readers, they will imagine it. Okay, કે તમે જે ડિટેલ્સ છે એ રીડર્સને પ્રોવાઈડ કરો છો. ઓકે, they see it, they feel it, they hear it. ઓકે, સપોઝ આપણે લાસ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ, હમણાં આપ્યું હતું એ, that you are writing about your visit to Taj Mahal. Okay, so how you went there. Okay, and what the first thing you show there, and how is it old, where it was, when it was built, where it is there. Okay, તો આ બધું જ વસ્તુ તમે ત્યાં લખો છો. અને કોણે બનાવ્યો હતો. Okay, how you felt when you were there. Okay, what was the environment there. So you are writing about all the things and the readers are feeling that. If they are listening you, they are also feeling that. So you have to describe in a way so that they can feel what you are feeling. Okay, even if they have not been there, okay, at Taj Mahal. So it can be about description, describing. We can describe so describing can be about a person, place or a thing. Okay, it can be on any topic, something which you have experienced about any particular person who is popular. Okay, if you want to write about Chetan Bhagat, who is popular nowadays, okay, then you have to talk about his important details, okay, where he was born, his education background, what he is doing now, his professional background, what type of books he writes, okay, and which books he has written, which of his books are adapted into the movies. Okay, so these are the main details, so you should describe in that. Okay, so I think you are also developing your sense what you will do while writing the answer, okay, descriptive answer. Okay, so only theory will not help you. Okay, we are talking about theory of describing, but you have to apply it when you write questions, when you write paragraphs, when you write anything. Okay, method of describing. Okay, first, if you want to give a good description of a topic, pay attention and concentrate on the details and facts and illustrate or explain to the readers what you mean. Okay, first you have to pay attention or concentrate on the details. Okay, that you are putting this because it is necessary, it is connected to this. So in a way you are focusing upon the details. Okay, facts, you have to check the facts, illustrate it with examples or explain it if you don't have any examples. Okay, so when you are giving illustrations or examples or you are explaining it deeply, okay, then you are connecting yourself to the readers. Okay, if just think, if I am teaching you the theory of describing and I don't give you any example which is related to your practical life, okay, then it would be in vain. તો પછી આ બધું unsuccessful જશે, બધું નિષ્ફળ જશે, because we have to connect the things. Okay, we have to connect the dots. What I am teaching you, that should be related to your life skills, that should be related to your life. Okay, and I must connect it in a way that you can understand. તો એવી જ રીતના જ્યારે તમે ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન આપો છો, ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો છો કાંઈ પણ વસ્તુ, તો એ વસ્તુ સામેવાળાને રિલેટ કરે, સામેવાળાને સમજાઈ જાય એવી રીતના આપણે આપવાનું. ઓકે, the specific details creates live pictures in reader's mind. Okay, this is important, that if you are providing details, if it is creating a live image in reader's mind, suppose in early morning at 6 or 7 you are reading a newspaper and you are reading a report which is means a news which is on an accident. Okay, so sometimes what happens that it is described in a way that you feel that you were there, કે આવું આવું થયું. એક માઇનર ડિટેલ આપી હોય કે આટલા વાગે આ 2 ટ્રક છે આવી રીતના ભટકાણા એટલે આવું થયું, તો તમને કેમ લાગે કે ઘડીક વાર માટે તો હું ત્યાં ઊભો હતો, કે આ બધું હું લાઇન બાય લાઇન વાંચું છું. એવી રીતના એમણે લખેલું છે કે મને એવું થોડું થોડું થાય છે કે હું ત્યાં ઊભો હતો જ્યારે આ વસ્તુ થયું હતું. સો યુ હેવ ટુ મેક ધેમ ફીલ. ઓકે, the specific details create, okay, not s. The specific details create live picture in reader's mind. Okay, live picture in reader's mind. First we correct this. The specific details create live picture in reader's mind. Okay, now it is correct. In this way, writing becomes more interesting. Okay, suppose I have written here or I have typed here many words which are not known to you. Okay, એવા વર્ડ્સ લઈ આવું કે તમને ખબર જ ન પડે. ઓકે, તો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ બનશે? જરાય નહીં બને. ઓકે, if it is one or two word then it is okay, but I am bombarding the slides with many difficult words, okay, then it will not be interesting. Okay, so another method, while describing, give more importance to the physical features of a place, object or thing. Okay, if you are talking about any place, object or thing, then you should describe its features. Okay, physical features, its appearance. Okay, which creates a mental picture. તમે બધી ડિટેલ્સ આપો કે આ રૂમ છે એ આટલા ફીટનો હતો, આવી રીતના હતો, તો સામેવાળાના માઇન્ડમાં એક ઇમેજ ઊભી થાય છે. ઓકે, મેન્ટલ પિક્ચર. Example, our classroom size is 20 feet multiply by 28 feet room. It has 4 walls, 6 windows and 2 doors. The wall is painted red in color and windows are white. The room has 4 fans and 6 tube lights. Besides this, it has 1 air conditioner also. There are 2 speakers and 1 projector in the class. 30 benches are arranged in 3 parts. Okay, so it will give you a picture of class in your mind. Okay, even you have not visited your class for a year or 2 years. The benefits of describing. Students can enhance the ability to capture a sense. Okay, what are the benefits? So students can enhance the ability to capture a scene or event in writing, able to paint the picture with words. Okay, કે તમે વર્ડ્સ લખો છો ને સામેવાળાના માઇન્ડમાં પિક્ચર ક્રિએટ થાય છે, તો આવી એબિલિટી તમારામાં ડેવલપ થાય છે. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કેન બી એબલ ટુ યુઝ સર્ટેન વર્ડ્સ according to the requirements of content and use adjective and adverbs effectively by giving description of a topic. Okay, so you know that when you are writing, you should use various words, you should use synonyms of the word. Okay, so the first word which you have used in first paragraph which cannot be repeated, so you can use synonyms. Okay, help students to acquire a skill of critical thinking and experience the object or places he or she describing with all their senses. Okay, suppose you are writing about one place, then you have to be able to think critically. Okay, you have to start thinking critically. Okay, you have to examine your experience and you have to write about that. Okay, so this is for self practice. You can do it at your home. You can describe the following topics: an accident scene, your hostel dining hall, your role model. Okay, so if you wish, you can do self practice. Thank you.